Looking for the best dustpan and brush sets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dustpan and brush sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. OXO, Good Grips Sweep Set with Extendable Broom. Pan and brush fit together for storage. Both brush and pan can telescope to reach high. Teeth on the pan help pull large pieces of debris from the brush. Great for picking up animal hair. Bristles on this brush do a good job of picking up debris on the floor. If you need a dustpan that keeps you from bending over, this pan and brush set is a good bet. If space is limited, keep in mind this brush and pan will not reduce smaller than 35 inches for storage. At number 2. Libman, Dustpan with Whisk Broom. A heavy-duty set for the price. It will pick up quick kitchen messes and can also help with heavier projects. Will take a beating. Great for small areas. Perfect for kitty litter. Made from a heavy plastic. Brush has strong bristles. Broom snaps into the dustpan for compact storage. The Whisk style brush on this handy little dustpan works well and lasts. The pan is a little narrower than others on the market, but matches well with the size of this brush. At number 1. REDECKER, Vintage Line Horsehair Hand Brush and Dustpan Set. Quality design on this vintage looking product. Brush made from horsehair. Provides a naturally well-made brush. A sturdy product that works as well as it looks. Feels good in the hand and sweeps up well. Comes with a leather strap for hanging. If it is possible for a dustpan and brush to win a beauty contest, this set may do it with functionality and durability. This is one of the most expensive brush and pan sets on the market. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.